Hey friends, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another cleaning video. I hope that you guys are good. Today's video, I'm deep cleaning the living room stroke dining area. I'm sharing real life messes. I'll be showing you everything as it is. For the first time in many months or years, I managed to remove or move my TV stand and cleaning behind it, and oh my, it was very bad. I'll be showing you that in a minute. I also cleaned the windows. The way my windows are designed, they are not the easiest to clean, and they gather a lot of dirt. So I'll also be sharing that in a minute. And I also cleaned this center lamp. Every time I sat down here to watch TV, I looked up and it had dust, cobwebs, and stuff like that. I kept telling myself tomorrow, okay, the next day, even if it's off camera, I will clean it, and I never got to it. But I'm glad I cleaned it in this video, and the light looks brighter at night.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking, oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. Where we started out. Get me out of now. Where we started out. La 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 la. Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking, oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. Where we started out. Get me out of now. Where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm thinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I want.
If you're still here, thank you so much for watching. I would like for you guys to take 2 seconds and give this video a like. It really helps out a lot. And if you're watching me for the first time, welcome. My name is Janet. I'm a stay-at-home mom of 4. And on my channel, I do cleaning, organizing, lifestyle. I share a little bit of my life here and there. And if you're interested in such content, I hope that you consider subscribing and turning on the bell so that you're notified on my future uploads. Right now, I'm on to the dining. My dining always has tea spills, dried soup that is in here, crumbs, everything. We have almost all our meals here. Not almost, I think all the meals we have on this place. And I know that it should be kept clean, but I won't say that it is always clean, if I'm to be honest with you. And sometimes I don't bother using the multi-purpose foam cleaner. Just a wet microfiber cloth, in this case, works better for me. If things spilled here and they dried, I don't bother using the foam, because the foam really helps in dust and stuff like that. But when it's stuff like dried tea that is here, milk, ice cream, I use a microfiber wet cloth.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I
So this is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I really hope that it gave you tons of motivation to get up and tackle your to-do list. And if you're not subscribed, please, I hope that you consider subscribing and giving this video a like. And remember, mothers, it's progress over perfection. Do what you can. Until next time, inshallah, God bless you. Bye.